back to the CSC Garage. Today we're going to be looking at the SG250 and one of the more popular accessories that you can add to your SG250. We've got these diamond stitch seats in black and brown as an upgrade for the stock SG250 seat. You can request these to be installed ahead of time if you're purchasing a new SG250. However, we also have these for one that you currently own. You want to upgrade it? We'll show you right now how easy it is to install these premium seats. Removal of the seat is really easy. You don't need many tools, mainly a 12mm socket. To change the hardware, we're going to use a 10mm socket. And then we might also need a 16mm wrench and a cloth. To remove the seat, there are two bolts, one on each side, 12mm head. We're going to screw those out. Which then allows us to lift the seat. This one came up easily. Some are a little harder because the shock bolts are mounted so tight they pull this rail in. So if you find it difficult to lift the seat up, simply loosen each of these 16mm nuts on either side of the motorcycle, and that will relieve the pressure so the seat can come off. Just be sure to tighten those back upon the reinstall. If you are going to loosen these nuts that mount the shocks so you can relieve that pressure, you'll want to use a rag or cloth under the bar. Oftentimes when you loosen those, the bar will then drop and you don't want it to hit your fender. So there's very simple hardware that mounts these brackets to the seat. We're going to switch these from the stock seat over to the premium seat. If you request a new seat from us for your new motorcycle, we'll do this ahead of time here in the shop for you. If you purchase and have us ship you the premium seat, what you're going to want to do is remove your old hardware, use it on the new seat, and then you can also use the box that it's shipped in to send back the old seat. Otherwise, there's a core charge on that seat. Once we receive it back, we refund you that core charge. I'm going to take the 10mm socket, remove the hardware, switch it over. And you'll note there is a diagonal side and a straight side. The straight side is near the back. Now we're ready to reinstall the seat. We're going to slide this under the tank. Watch as we push the brackets in. Now we're ready for the mounting hardware. Thanks for joining us once again at the CSC Garage. Now that you've seen how easy it is to install the upgraded seat, get yourself one or request it upon the order of your new motorcycle. Either way, most importantly, enjoy the ride.